Hello everyone, welcome to Brainzone, a channel for awesome facts and information. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 secrets of the rich. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to our channel to continue learning new things, and for more awesome videos like this one. Success leaves clues, as many people have observed. If you want to achieve extraordinary success in the coming year, study the experts, do what they do, and change their techniques to suit your specific situation. It's easy. Well, maybe not easy, but the basic fundamentals are there. While your mind may conjure up the rich jet-setting actors of many over-the-top reality shows, the reality is that you may already know individuals with a net value of more than 7 figures. Every day of the week, you see these individuals. Mercedes, Hondas, Porsche, and the occasional Bugatti Veyron they drive. They have been earning and using secret money-growing mindset and techniques for a long time, and are living their life on their own terms. Here are 10 secrets these rich individuals may have used to get where they are enjoying life without limits. Number 1. Job stability. Contrary to popular belief, there are many millionaires out there that weren't handed a trust fund, nor did they make $1 million overnight during the internet boom. They are people who stayed with one employer for a very long time, sometimes 30 or 40 years. Staying with the same company for many years can offer big rewards, including a very nice ending salary, significant pension benefits, and hefty 401k balances. While it seems foreign to think about working for the same employer for 2 decades or longer these days, there are still a number of people who do it. Number 2. They save early. As soon as they earn money, the get-rich-slowly crowd starts saving and letting their money work for them over time. When they got their first jobs, the invisible rich surely took advantage of tax-advantaged retirement plans, such as 401k, also making sure to capture any free money their employers offered as a match. When they gave birth to their first children, they maximized college savings via tax-advantaged 529 plans. If saving on a starting salary, or even now, seems daunting in the face of monthly bills, consider paying your future self first. That is, when budgeting, your first line item should be a transfer, ideally an automatic one that you don't even think about, to your savings account, money market fund, IRA, brokerage account, or other savings vehicle. Then budget for what's left of your income, with, say, the cable bill last. If there's not enough income to cover your expenses, trim your discretionary spending. Number 3. They don't spend beyond their means. Yes, this is obvious, but it's ignored as often as it's repeated. The chic apartment, frequent travel and restaurant meals, consumer electronics, fancy clothes, and cars, crowds out the saving that will enable you to be rich someday. This is what makes the rich, well, invisible. They're not conspicuous about their consumption. They're value shoppers, whether it's for groceries or college, or anything else. And they'll buy used, putting items to use for as long as they still do the job. Meanwhile, they put the money they saved instead of buying shiny new objects to work, earning interest and dividends. The rich don't chase the new shiny thing every month. Instead, they keep drilling down on one thing until they master it, and make sure to leverage this competitive advantage in order to cash in. Number 4. Investors. Millionaires who own stocks tend to hold their investments for decades, not just years. They let their dividends reinvest over time, and thus participate in the long-term growth of our economy. This makes them different from savers, who only invest in CDs or money markets. How many of you lost money with crypto? How many of you lost money in a pyramid scheme? We can't believe that this counts as a secret, but most people lose money when they go into projects they don't understand. We've seen it happen over and over again. Only invest in things you know better than everyone else, otherwise, you're gonna go from one loss to the next. Number 5. They focus on income, not on saving. How can you increase your income? That's the only question you should be asking yourself until you have more money than you will possibly need. There's this saying every rich person knows that most people are probably unaware of, which goes like this: nobody saves their way to becoming a billionaire. And it's true. Real wealth can only be built by increasing your income, and not accumulated from savings. The saving part only comes in after you've maxed out the income, and even then you should first figure out where to move that income next in order to generate a new revenue stream, which this time maybe doesn't come with the upper limit. Every rich person out there is constantly bringing in more and more money. Why? You want to be rich now. Not when you're in your 70s. Who cares? You can buy your dream house when your body doesn't allow you to go up the stairs anymore. Focus on income. Number 6. Take advantage of time, not timing. No one can predict what the market will do tomorrow. The wealthy know this and make no attempt to moonlight as day traders. Time is more important to investment success than timing, explained Peter Lazaroff, a certified financial advisor. Most of the population believes that timing the market's moves is the key to growing rich through the stock market. The wealthy, however, understand that time and compound returns are the most important factor in growing wealth. Though it might seem counterintuitive, getting rich may require investors to adopt an unsexy buy and hold strategy, ride out market fluctuations, and ignore speculation. Number 7. Be your own boss. Employees work to make their bosses rich. If you're aiming for true wealth, consider starting your own business. According to Forbes, nearly all of the 1,426 people on its list of billionaires made their fortunes through a business they or a family member had a hand in creating. Many middle-class workers think that starting a business is too risky. The wealthy understand that what's risky is allowing your time and earnings to be dictated by a boss who couldn't care less about whether you get what you want for your life. Number 8. They educate themselves. The first investment of the invisible rich? Themselves. Education is still a prime driver of lifetime income, and it's never too late to learn. Your own earning power rooted in your education and job skills is the most valuable asset you'll ever own, and it can't be wiped out in a market crash. But it can erode. Keep pushing up your earning power through continuous education, training, and personal development. Learning is a strategic advantage that enhances our ability to take more effective action. This could mean going back to school, adding a needed certification on the weekends, or serving in work-related fields that will build your network and increase your income. Number 9. Goal setting. Rich people don't just stumble upon success. They plan out and prioritize their goals and determine how to execute them. Millionaires have a clear vision of what they want and take the steps necessary to get there. While the average person makes a few New Year resolutions, by the time February comes along, they've already failed to keep up with them. That's not happening with the rich. That's why you see super successful people keep climbing year after year, success after success. They set goals and plan their year according to previous performance and realistic growth potential. Then they break their goals apart and create systems that allow them to maximize their chances of achieving their goals. The secret juice is in how to break them apart, how to create supporting goals for the big ones, and how making a few small changes to your daily schedule can lead to big results. Number 10. Real estate. Most rich people buy homes that are not overly priced or extravagant in rentable areas. They maintain them appropriately or rent them out consistently. They pay down their mortgages and ended up with cash-flowing assets that help to build their net worth slowly over 30 years. Real estate is generally a great investment option. It can generate ongoing passive income and can be a good long-term investment if the value increases over time. You may even use it as a part of your overall strategy to begin building wealth. What do you think of this video? Do you find this video interesting? Tell us in the comments section below. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top 10 secrets of the rich. If yes, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Brainzone for more informative videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon, so you never miss our future uploads. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.